Does the market want, what's the read on this news that this bill will not be voted on this afternoon, that it has been pulled, this repeal and replacement of Obamacare?
Well, I think everybody's holding their breath, and obviously the results of that vote will dictate what the market does. May I get very technical for a second?
That's
and I
what
promise
you're
I
here.
won't talk about
That's
Liberace.
what you do for a living,
I won't
Ralph.
talk about Liberace Fibonacci numbers, okay?
Okay, all right.
But this week, since the post-election, if you could draw graphs of the market, they were in perfect uptrends. And on Tuesday, we had a karate chop when the Dow dropped 237 points. Most of those trends, I'm talking about the Dow and the S&P and the transportation, most of those trends have been broken. Right. I still have a target of 22,000 for the Dow. But that break that we had, it was not significant in the sense that it caused much damage. But it's significant in the fact that we broke those trends. Now, again, forgive me for being too technical, the next rally, and we'll have another rally, that's the one, Bill. The tide has to lift all the boats. These averages have to make new highs. If they don't, then you can have what we call divergences. You can have trends going in different directions. And that, to me, would signal that maybe the Trump honeymoon is over.
I saw that tweet the other day when you talked about how the uptrend from the election had been broken. But since then, we have been essentially going sideways, today notwithstanding. I mean, we have some volatility as they respond to what's going on in Washington, but that has been the hallmark of the market this year, is essentially sideways action with count them, 1% move in the Dow this year, and that was on Tuesday. What do you make of that kind of action?
No, well, that's why I'm not pulling the plug on my 22,000 target on the Dow. I'm willing to give the market a bit of a breather. I mean, we need the pullback. Everybody's been waiting for this. But as I mentioned just a moment ago, it's not the decline that concerns me. It's the next rally, Bill. They have to correct those divergences. If not, people like me are going to say, gee, maybe it's over.
Yeah, I mean, that has been the pattern largely this cycle. It's amazing to watch how sharp the comeback has been just here with the Dow down. I mean, it's almost about to go positive. Look at this. We were down 100 points just a couple minutes ago.
120.
And
fine point on it,
and we're down, less than 10 points at the moment. Again, all of this coming as, the House leaders have pulled the bill to repeal and replace Obamacare. As Arthur Cashin was saying, he thought you'd have a rally if it was pulled. If they didn't have the votes to get it done, they move on to tax reform now. At least that's been the signals from the administration, Ralph. And while I know you're looking at trends in the market, I would imagine that the prospect of that still happening and maybe getting tackled right away now would bolster your bullish view.
Well, that's the point. If they can get past this and not delay all of Trump's other programs, then I think the market will breathe a sigh of relief. And that's exactly what they'll look beyond this and see things that will get done.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.